Recap. Now that you have a grasp on the basic concepts of selling ebooks, it's time to apply everything that you've learned. When you finally decide to self-publish your ebook, the next crucial step to take is to sign up for an account on the Kindle bookstore. Having one makes it possible to sell in one of the largest digital media stores in the world, and it's the potential beginning for you to become an author. Identify your audience. Determining who your readers and target audience are is probably one of the most important aspects of writing, as it establishes the direction you'll be going in. You need to know who you're going to be writing for, so you need to get this identified right from the start. Select niche, or choose mainstream approach. As a writer, you'll have to pick topics which are mainstream or niche-based. The difference is enough to dictate whether you will enjoy success or suffer from failure. In general, though, writing for niche topics is more profitable due to the less competition and more trust and credibility as an expert writer. So it's vital to identify if you're going to use the niche or mainstream approach. Smart pricing. Pricing has a lot to do with the success of a product or service, among other things. For ebooks, it's best to stay on the low to average scale to keep attracting buyers for more profits through higher volumes. Maximize online presence. Lastly, you should employ a strategy on how to maximize your ebook's online exposure. One method may not be enough, so you should be prepared to conduct multiple campaigns at once. So the next step is to take action. Step outside of your comfort zone and tell yourself, I'm going to do this, and before you know it, you'll become a successful Kindle publisher. Good luck, and thanks for watching. Check out the Kindle resource PDF in your download file for some valuable online resources to help you become a successful Kindle publisher.